This is a complete work of fiction, and we have no intentions to hurt someone's feelings or to disrespect any caste or religion or any political entity. Enjoy.
25th July. Today was the toughest day of my life, but it was surely one of the most important day of my 11 years old daughter's life. So it's like today morning I was sitting on my chair reading the newspaper and she was playing with her toys sitting on the floor. Suddenly a paper fell from my hand. She picked it up and saw something, then gave it to me and asked.
Papa, what is rape?
I was little bit shocked, hearing the term rape in her mouth. I asked where she saw it. She replied.
It was on the newspaper.
I looked at it and found that there is a 10 years old child who was raped by her own uncle. I shouted and said, "Go play. It's none of your business." She was scared and upset. A moment later, I thought about that. I thought maybe she needs to know these things. I called her and said, "Look, baby, you are old enough to know these certain things of life. So you have to do something. Go to the basement and you will see a pile of newspaper. Look at them and find things that you want to know. We are in lockdown, so you have all the time you want." She said,
Okay, Papa.
"And one thing, I'm sorry for shouting at you." She smiled and I went back to my newspaper. Half an hour passed. She came with a little piece of paper in her hand. She gave me the paper. I saw there were rape, religion, politics written in it. I said, "That's it."
Yes, Papa. These were in every paper.
Okay. Now come and sit in front of me. She sat on the chair. "Look, baby, you are so little to understand these things. You can't even understand overnight. But with time, you will grow up and you will understand everything. I should have known these things way before, but leave it. What do you want to know first?"
Papa, I saw that rape was very common. A guy raped an old lady. A guy raped a 7 months baby. A bunch of people raped a girl of my age.
And that thing, the last sentence, hit me so hard that I couldn't explain. I said, "Look, rapists are the people who have mental illness.
Then, Papa, why are they not in the hospital?
Suppose you are having a fever. But how do I know? Only when I see the symptoms, right?
But what is rape?
Look, when some older person touches your private parts like chest or your lower back or where from you pee without your permission or with your permission, even if he is your relative, your teacher or whoever he is. Understood?
But, Papa, why do they do that?
I told you, na, they are mentally ill.
Oh, I see.
Yes, now what?
Politics, I guess.
Well, it's very difficult to understand, but I will try. When you promise something, but you are too selfish for not keeping your promises, that's called politics. Understood? By the way, how did you came up with this word?
Well, there was an article where a politician said that piece of cow and cure COVID-19.
Oh yes, I know. I know. Most of the politicians in our country are just uneducated fools.
Oh, and what about religion?
Oh, religion. It's a very simple thing. But people take it in a complex way. Tell me, you read comics?
Yes, Papa. Batman, Tintin, Iron Man.
Yes. Their universe is totally different, right?
Yes,
There are gods too, right?
yes.
That's what exactly happened years ago. Some very intelligent people wrote some books where there were devils, there were human and gods, so that people could idolize them and try to make themselves a good human being. But then some evil people used it and made it the business of fear, the fear of higher and much powerful entity. Don't worry, if you don't understand, someday you will. Now go and play. And always remember what I taught you today.
Okay, Papa.
She smiled.